The EasyLoader check management page works as your headquarters for entering different payments and receipts. Users still have the option to navigate to a load profile directly and enter a check payment directly into the load, but now you have the ability from the check management page to search for any load profile and enter the payment from the check management page. Here you can see I can search for which load I'd like to enter a payment. The rest of the modal mimics what is currently available in the load profile specifically. You can select what kind of payment or receipt you'd like to enter, fill in the data, and then either save and close the modal or move on to a new check entry. We also have the ability to bulk upload customer receipts and carrier payments. Clicking on one of these icons will walk you through the steps, the first of which is to download the template. Here you can see an example template here. The columns headed in red are required and the black are optional. Here you can see I've got a template already filled out here. I'm going to move on to my second step, which is to upload the file. I'm going to drag in my completed Excel file here, and you can see the system wants to pre-validate your data. It'll let you know which records have all the required information and which records may be missing some required steps. On this one, you can see I'm missing the check date and the amount here on my third record. Before you can proceed with the upload, you must either correct any of the errors or omit or strike through the record that has an error that you may just not know how to fix right now. So let's go ahead on my first record here. I'm going to fix the error. I'm going to select my record, the edit button, and I was missing a check date. So let's go ahead and put that in. Clicking save, you can see I fixed the error and that record is now ready to process. Let's pretend on record 3, I know I'm missing my amount, but I just don't have that information right now. I'm going to come back and do this check later. So I'm going to select this record and I'm going to omit it from the upload. Now you can see, even though I have not fixed the error, because I've omitted the record, I can now proceed with the upload. Clicking process will tell you your results. You had a total of 3 records, 1 was excluded, and 2 were successfully processed. At this point, I can download my results or exception report. Pulling up this report, you can see 2 of my records were imported, and it gives me the error as well as notates that I have excluded that third record. Now you can close the window there, and you can see the records of what checks were recently uploaded into the different load profiles.